Without further ado, here's a look at our cabin. We had the Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. I believe it's category 4C, and our theme of the room was Cinderella. The room sleeps 3 to 5 people, and that is on one queen-size bed, a pull-out bed from the couch, and then a drop-down Murphy bed. Because we are gold level Castaway Club members, we got an inaugural sailing bag and a little passport holder. The stateroom was one of my favorite parts of the entire ship. It's so well updated and it felt really brand new because it's a brand new ship. I loved the detail work in the bathroom and the change from the other ships that now there is a glass shower instead of the previous shower curtain. It made it feel a whole lot more roomy. The entire color scheme chosen for the rooms I thought was so beautiful. Loved all the gold finishes, and the bed itself was incredibly comfy. The Daily Navigator is available if you want to see what activities are going on the ship that day. There's standard US outlets and USB and USB-C chargers on the sides of the bed. Heading back towards the second bathroom, this one is just a toilet and a sink, and we really like the split bathroom design. Here's a look at the closets near the front of the stateroom. They have shelves as well as space to hang clothes, which we definitely used, and a little safe down here to store any of your valuables. The couch in the stateroom was very nice fabric. The cushions were so hard, so not too great for lounging, but I guess good for more like utilitarian uses. And there's that Murphy bed I was speaking about earlier that will fold down from the wall and turn into a nice, I think, double-sized bed, or maybe a long twin. Here showing you some of the drawers, and something I was very excited about, the pull-out fridge drawer. So this can fit some of your beverages or anything else you want to try to keep cold during your sailing. Here's another look at the cabinets. Overall, lots of storage options, which is great. Time to leave the room and go head up to the deck again for the sail away party.